The rock kestrel is a bird of prey species belonging to the kestrel group of the falcon family Falconidae. It was previously considered a subspecies of the common kestrel. This species occurs in Africa, from northwestern Angola and southern Democratic Republic of Congo to southern Tanzania, and south to South Africa. The rock kestrel is a medium-sized, slender kestrel. Males have fewer marks on the body than a common kestrel. The back is colored bright chestnut and the same coloration is seen on the underbody. Males have white underwings, females have gray-colored heads and tails, and the backs of the birds have spots. More black bands in the central tail area are seen than male birds. The rock kestrel is between 32 to 39 centimeters in length. The birds are 30 to 33 centimeters tall. The rock kestrel wingspan is between 65 to 82 centimeters. The lifespan of a rock kestrel is not known. The common kestrel bird may live for around 16 years on average, while the longest living common kestrel is known to be of 24 years. Rock kestrels feed on a wide variety of organisms. They eat primarily invertebrates, but have been known to consume rodents, reptiles, and birds. Two primary forms of hunting are employed: hover hunting and perch hunting. Noticeable places of scarcity include North and Northeast Namibia, Botswana, South Mozambique, and tropical lowland, while in Zimbabwe it is restricted to high-lying central and eastern regions. The kestrel is usually associated with arid areas but may also be found in open and or semi-arid areas. Rock kestrels feed on a wide variety of organisms. They eat primarily invertebrates, but have been known to consume rodents, reptiles, and birds. Two primary forms of hunting are employed: hover hunting and perch hunting. The population is not known for this falcon species of birds of prey, as the distribution is quite large and throughout many parts. It may be sometimes even hard to locate, as the rock kestrels generally do not need trees of ground to stay. It perches and hovers whenever needed, which makes it hard to sometimes spot these birds. The species is the most common falcon or bird of prey species in southern Africa. So, in southern Africa, it will be quite easy to see these kestrels in these areas, compared to the rest of the world. The rock kestrel breeding season is from August to January, and this is the time when rock kestrel eggs are laid. The breeding season occurs from August to October in the southwest and from September to November in the southeast. The rock kestrel bird makes the nest in rock cavities and sometimes even on buildings. Sometimes, rock kestrel may even use the nest of other birds like crows and ravens. This nest is seen on trees and buildings. You may also find the bird on an old stick nest. One to 6 eggs are laid by the female, and the female alone takes part in the incubation, which lasts for around 27 to 31 days. During these days, the male feeds and protects the female, and when the young hatches, the male generally cares for the young too. After 30 to 36 days of birth, the young fledge. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.